In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a double exposure in OpenArt. If you've never tried a double exposure before, think of it as blending two visuals, the outline of a person or object and a landscape or texture, so they merge in a stylish, transparent overlay. OpenArt makes this surprisingly simple. Start on the OpenArt homepage, move your cursor over the image section to reveal the creation options. This is where all the generation tools live, and it sets you up for the full workflow. Click Create Image to open the canvas. You'll land in the generator where you can pick settings, write your prompt, and add references. Next, click Switch. This opens the model and character picker. Different models interpret prompts differently, so select one that's known for clean blends and soft lighting, or choose a character style if you want a more stylized silhouette. The choice influences color, texture, and how subtle the overlay feels. In the prompt box, type something like double exposure effect, forest landscape blended inside silhouette, soft light, transparent overlay. Short, clear prompts work best for this look. The phrase blended inside silhouette tells the model where to place your secondary scene, and soft light keeps the transition smooth rather than harsh. Natural scenes like forests, mountains, or city skylines tend to read well in double exposures because their shapes and gradients layer cleanly. Upload a reference image to guide the silhouette. A head and shoulders portrait with a simple background or a high contrast profile works great. The cleaner the edges, the easier it is for the model to fill the interior with your landscape without muddy borders. Centered subjects with clear separation from the background usually produce the most polished results. Adjust the aspect ratio to match your destination. Portrait ratios like 4:5 are ideal for posters and social posts. Square is reliable when you're not sure where it will live. Picking this now helps the model compose the subject with proper spacing. Set how many images you want to generate. More variations give you options, but they take longer to process. If you're experimenting, start with a small batch so you can quickly judge what's working before committing to more. Finally, click Create and let OpenArt render the results. Generation time can vary, so give it a moment. When the images appear, you'll be able to see how the landscape nests inside the silhouette with soft transitions and a transparent feel. That's your double exposure, built end-to-end in just a few clicks. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to create your own.